start raising your voice and getting this hoity-toity attitude with me.
Your Honor.
Go out in the hallway and get your lawyer and come back in and do a 360 with your attitude. I don't want to sit here and listen to you lecture me. 486 A and B and 25B, 148-570 A and B, and 119-633-606A. What do you think I'm thinking?
What do I think you're thinking?
Where you been? Tell me your name first.
My name is Talise Jackson.
First of all, on 8486B, that's driving on a suspended. The A files disobey stop sign. That emanates from an April 18th incident, as does.
Yes, both on the same thing.
You got two different incident dates, one at 9:11 in the morning and one at 2:14 in the morning. So they wrote you at 9:11 and then 4 hours later.
All right, buckle up, folks, because this courtroom drama kicks off with attitude and authority. Ever wondered what happens when a defendant strolls in 6 years late like they're early? You're about to find out.
You again.
Yes.
And then I have a case from 2019, believe it or not. I was young, not young, but not as old as I am. Where you been?
I've been around. I used to live over here in Woodhead, but I live in Brownstown now.
Oh, geez. Okay. Well,
not saying it like I'm.
That's a long.
I didn't know that. I went to the drive.
Be careful what you're telling me. You didn't know what. You're not going to tell me you didn't think the case was. You're not going to tell me you think the case. Hang on. Hang on. You're not going to tell me you think the case was over, are you? Please don't tell me that.
No, I thought that if I were to pay the tickets.
Ma'am, I'm going to give you a lawyer. Grow up. How old are you? You seem like a very pleasant person, but you're acting like a fugitive. Come on.
I'm 36 years old.
Well, I know, but you're acting like a fugitive.
Hold up, 2 tickets in one day, just 5 hours apart. That's not bad luck, that's a pattern. The real question, was she clueless or just didn't care?
You got red marks. Every time I see one of these, it's because a warrant was issued. Are you kidding? Come on, you got to grow up. I'm going to start.
I feel like I have. I feel like I did what I was supposed to do. I tried to get my license.
Listen, go talk to your lawyer.
I tried to get my license together last year, and I contacted the driving authority. I paid a bunch of money to get my tickets and stuff taken care of. I've been on top of my stuff. I've been on top of my stuff. I did mess up, and I'm human. I'm just saying, like you like throwing that and acting like
acting like
you're a butt, right? I'm saying, but like I don't like the way that you're responding.
Listen, I don't care what you like.
Okay.
You haven't been here in 6 years. Ma'am, you better watch yourself. Don't start raising your voice and getting this hoity-toity attitude with me.
Your Honor.
Go out in the hallway and get your lawyer and come back in and do a 360 with your attitude. I don't want to sit here and listen to you lecture me. Did you hear what I said? Go out in the hallway. Unbelievable. Hey, come here. Did you do that on purpose?
No, I just apologized to you. No, I didn't do it.
You just slammed that door.
I didn't slam it. It's a swing door, Your Honor. I'm not trying to be disrespectful. I'm not upset at all.
Go out in the hallway. Demetrius Richard. Police Noel Jackson. 25E48486. A and B. 25E148-570. A and B. 119-633-606A. Your appearance?
Yeah, you only have Talise Jackson. State your name for the court.
Talise Jackson.
I hope you adjusted your attitude. You adjusted your attitude since you were back up here before?
I adjusted my emotion.
Okay.
She's had some things happen.
All right, let's go through one file at a time. All right, let me start on the new ones. 25E148-570 A and B. We've got a defense date of April 18th. They're going to dismiss those if she pleads on 25E148-486 A and B that driveway suspend and the disobey stop sign. And then we have to deal with the warrant on the 19 case. So is that first?
And now the hammer drops. The judge isn't just talking about missed court dates, he's calling out an attitude. You can feel years of frustration coming through. But what do you think? Fair accountability or pure courtroom theatrics?
All of these, does she stand mute, wait, formal reading?
Yes, Your Honor.
So I'm entering not guilty, please, 4 on those. Now, if the other 2 are from the incident date of April 18 of 25. If you plead the disobey stop sign, that is a 3-point civil infraction. If you plead, excuse me, to driving suspended, the possible penalties are up to 500 fines, 93 days jail, costs, or all those. Do you understand that?
Yes, I understand.
And there's 2 points that would be added to your traffic record. Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right, did you sign? Well, actually, on suspend, there'd be 2. On the disobey stop sign, there's 3. You only get the higher 2-point total, so you get 3, not 5. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights?
Yes.
If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights, and there will be no hearing or trial. Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right. To the charge driving on a suspended, how do you plead? How do you plead, ma'am?
Plead guilty.
On April 18 of 25 at 2:14 p.m., were you operating a motor vehicle on Mills Drive near Valley in Brownstown?
Yes.
Was your license suspended?
Yes.
To the charge of disobey stop sign, responsible or not responsible? Right now, you are on probation still to me on this other, wait a minute, let me just double check. Well, I didn't. Next. Only did was place you on probation. You're on probation to me on this 19 case, right?
Yes.
You understand by pleading guilty to this suspend, that would be deemed a violation of this probation. This probation could be revoked. You could be incarcerated on this charge, I'm talking about in the 19 case, as a result of the plea and conviction from the 25 case. You understand that? And you still wish to plead guilty? I can't hear you, man. I can't, I'm sorry.
Yes. Sorry.
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
No.
Please accept it to that charge of driving on a suspended. Please accept it to disobey a traffic signal. Now we've got this 2019 case. All I did was put her on probation on this only because I wanted to clear her. She must have had a ton of warrants. And I said all suspensions to be lifted by March 1 of 20. How ironic. Just so you know, even though she got real testy with me, as though I'm incorrect by questioning why she hasn't been here since 2019. She goes out on these cases. I don't have an answer for this because I haven't looked at her record, but my strong belief is she probably never has had a valid license, even though I told her to have the valid license by March 1 of 20. And then, not only didn't she have a valid license on this date, she also picked up one 4 hours earlier, and she's in here acting like she's oppressed. Go ahead. What are we doing on this one? Is she pleading guilty, or does she want a hearing on failure to attend her scheduled probation visit? It looks like on, I can't tell, it's a typo, June, it's a 68/9/19. So I don't know if it's June 8th or August 9th, 19th. So that's.
I think it was May 30th, 2019.
That's what I sent.
That's what she was saying.
But I'm talking about, there's a 3-count warrant here, show cause that she didn't show up on, failure to attend her scheduled probation visit, failure to pay fines and costs as directed, and failure to clear all warrants as directed. So how's she going to proceed on that?
So, Your Honor, did you want the explanation?
I can speak.
Okay, so.
She either needs to have a hearing or she needs to plead guilty to those counts.
She will be guilty with an explanation.
Okay, let's call in somebody from probation. I don't know what day. All right, if you plead guilty here, I want you to understand you could be incarcerated for up to 93 days. Your probation revoked. Do you understand that?
Yes.
And you understand all your rights.
Yes.
And you understand you have the right to a hearing.
Yes.
And you understand if you plead guilty, you're giving up your right to a contested hearing. You're giving up your right to remain silent at that hearing. You're giving up your right to cross-examine any probation witnesses at that hearing. If you plead guilty, you're giving up all those rights. We won't have a hearing, and you could, again, have your probation revoked. Do you understand that?
Yes.
All right, so the charge, you failed to attend your scheduled probation visit, which I'm just going to say it was the first visit, it appears. After sentencing, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Did you fail to appear at that probation visit?
Yes.
Got to keep your voice up. Is the count two, did you fail to pay your fines and costs as ordered? How do you plead?
Guilty.
Did you fail to pay your fines and costs as ordered?
Yes.
Is the count three that you failed to clear all warrants as directed? How do you plead?
Guilty.
Did you fail to clear all your warrants as directed?
No.
You cleared your warrants?
Oh, I'm sorry. Yes.
I'm going to ask you again, the charge you failed to clear all warrants specifically by June 4 of 19. How do you plead?
Guilty.
Did you fail to do that?
Yes.
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
No.
I'll accept the plea, all three counts. Ms. Wiles, I'm going to ask you in a moment to tell me what day the probation visit was supposed to be. There's a typo in this show cause that was generated back on August 15 of 19. All right, Ms. Patillo, what do you have to say? Give me something good here.
Quick legal check. Driving on a suspended license isn't a slap on the wrist, it's a criminal misdemeanor. Up to 93 days in jail and a hefty fine. So when she pleads guilty, this isn't just traffic trouble. It could spark a chain reaction that revokes her probation.
Not only did she blow this off, not only did she drive twice on a suspended license within 4 hours, she came in here like brimming with, like, who do you think you are questioning me? And that just tells me she doesn't see anything wrong with what she did. And that spells bad news for her. So first of all, you tell me, and you can gather your thoughts, as to what day that was.
Yes, Your Honor. Elizabeth Law's probation department, it was August 9, 2009.
Okay.
Yes.
I don't know if I need you even in here, to be honest. I just wanted to clarify that. So the failure to report was on August 9th of 19, right?
That is correct, Your Honor.
Okay.
All right.
All
Thank
right,
you.
so thank you very much. You're all set. So Ms. Patillo, what would you like to say? And by the way, just for the record, I am dismissing pursuant to the agreement the two other cases that the prosecutor agreed to dismiss, 25B1485708A and B. All right, so what would you like to say?
So, Your Honor, Ms. Jackson does apologize for how she entered the court. Back in 2019, Ms. Jackson indicated to me that she has very bad family issues. She was in an abusive relationship, and I believe the abuser's case was in this court. She had to come and testify, not against him, but for him. It was very upsetting. She has 3 minor children. She is currently employed at Ford, but back then what happened, it was a mix of, one, the pandemic hit right around March 20th. She did fail to attend that first hearing.
Well, but wait a minute, but this was, pandemic didn't hit till 20.
Right, but on March 1st, 2020, she was also supposed to, she failed to attend the meeting on that date, it looks like. That's what I have in my notes. The reason that she failed to attend the hearings, one is that, and you can tell me if I misspeak, did you think it was non-reporting probation?
That's what I do to understand, is that it was non-reporting probation.
I might have given you non-reporting probation, but they still got to explain that order initially, so
I was pregnant at the time.
why?
She had a lot.
Okay. The good news for her is I'm not one of these to hold anything against her, even though she acted juvenile. We're going to work through this. As long as she understands she made a mistake and acknowledges it. And that goes so much further with me than somebody comes in and acts like we're inconveniencing them. She needs to figure out what she's going to do. She didn't clear her warrant. She didn't pay the fines. How's she going to pay the fines?
She could have a payment plan for 55.
Where does she work now?
Ford.
She's making $32 an hour. I mean, I think that's great. Do you have, how many kids do you have?
I have 3 sons.
How old are they?
14, 5, and 8 months.
Are you collecting any child support?
No, he's dead.
Oh, geez, I'm sorry. I really am.
Wow.
Okay, I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. All right. Let me see something. Counsel, I'm gonna set this for sentencing. I'm gonna set all these for sentencing. She's gonna get her act together and she's gonna get her money together. She's gonna try and go and clear warrants. That's what she's gonna try to do. I don't remember where they all are. We're gonna give her a sentence date. I'm just gonna make a note, defendant to save money, clear warrants. We're gonna give her about 5-6 weeks to come back. So hopefully she'll at least be able to pay this one. And then I will set a sentence date on the other 2.
Okay.
So how long do you think it'll take you to save about $400 on this suspense charge, ma'am? Oh, wait, she's got a bond. She posted a bond? Oh, that's in your name. You got 4,010%. Okay, so we keep by law. How much is that? 455. Now I'm going to continue the bond. You save money on these others. You go over and try and clear your warrants. Let me just check. Did you see where she's got warrants outstanding now?
Judge, some of them cleared, right? Your license.
All right, here's what I'll do. We'll just continue your bond. We'll give you a sentence date. Lisa, give me one about 5-6 weeks when Ms. Patillo is here. Will you please?
June 18th at 8:30.
June 18th at 8:30, okay?
Okay.
So that'll give you time to save some money and do whatever else. Stop driving though. Please don't let me see.
My
License is valid.
Oh, it is? Good.
I just want to apologize.
You're fine. Let me tell you something. I believe you. I believe you. I believe you. It's all right. I'm not going to hold those kinds of things against somebody. I'm a horrible judge if I do that. You're gonna be fine. We're gonna help you through. Just show some humility. You go so far.
Yeah, I'm not trying to act like a victim.
All right, you're fine. Let it go. It's okay. You're fine. Honestly. Good luck. I really would.
And here's where the human side crashes in abuse, family trauma, testifying against the abuser. Suddenly, the tension makes sense. But legally, sympathy doesn't erase responsibility. Can personal struggle and justice ever truly coexist?